What's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Linnea. I live in the suburbs and I'm trying to become semi-self-sufficient where we garden, we do sourdough, we make fun recipes, and today we are doing soup even though it's 90 degrees outside. Speaking of being outside, I am outside because Jonathan decided today was the day that our oven needed cleaned, and it's really loud inside right now. And I actually do need the oven to roast the tomatoes, but I've decided we're going to use the Traeger. So, we're going to make some tomato soup from our fresh tomatoes from the garden. Yeah, I don't know how it's going to turn out, especially using the grill to roast the tomatoes. But you know what? We'll figure it out. It can't be that bad. Alright, let's go. This could be a bit of a disaster, the way I'm doing it. And it does say to put these in your oven at 450 degrees for 25 minutes. The Traeger cooks things a little differently, so I did 450 degrees, and I'm going to do like 45 minutes, and we'll see. So yeah, we'll just see how this goes, because our kitchen's a little bit of a disaster right now. So this is gonna have to take a pause because my oven inside my house has locked my entire stove, so I can't even cook on the cooktop. So I'm just gonna let this stuff cool for now because I can't do anything with it anyways. And I'm probably just gonna have to resume this later tonight. And I am gonna take the skins off. The recipe says not to, like it doesn't specifically say to, but like I don't want tomato skins in my soup, even though it's getting blended. I still just don't want that. So, while this stuff is cooling, I am going to go ahead and take the skins off. Alright, so I have 2 cups of chicken broth boiling, and I'm going to add all of the tomatoes and onions and garlic and peppers to this. I don't think I'm going to add all this juice though. We'll see. I'll save it. We'll see. The lighting is literally so bad right now. See if I can... No, that's just how the lighting is gonna be. I'm gonna add a 1/2 cup-ish of heavy whipping cream to this. And mix it up. And then we're gonna call it good. But I am gonna make a grilled cheese for Jonathan because he has requested it with his tomato soup. So, there's that. Honestly, it would have been a lot easier if I didn't have to do it on the grill. But, you know, sometimes things are just chaos and that's okay. Normally, I would use sourdough for this, but this is Jonathan's and he is particular about his grilled cheese sandwiches. So, we're going with Baby Bunny. The lighting is atrocious. It's like that time of year where the lighting just hits wrong when I'm trying to make dinner. Always diagonal, never across. Spoiler, well, I already tried it. Whoa. And it's kind of smoky because I had to use the traeger.
Good.
It is good. I actually really like it. I mean, it kind of sucks that we're having soup when it's 92 degrees outside, but, you know.
Yeah, there you go.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Well, you're kind of picky, that's why I ask. And look, a grilled cheese. Do you know what the next video is going to be? You're gonna be in it. It's gonna be making my birthday cake.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so that's you. I mean, I'll help, obviously, but it's all you. All right.
Yeah, have fun.
Yeah, it will be fun. So we're gonna go enjoy our dinner while we sweat because it's hot out. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!